Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. This is Varun, and this video we will see how to play the song Kannodu Kanbadalam from the Tamil movie Jeans. And in this video I will focus only on the Pallavi part, and Anupallavi part I will be discussing in upcoming videos, and I hope you can learn from this video. So now we will see the notes of this song. What all notes are coming in this song? First I will tell you that third string 7th fret is D, so that note is coming. Third string 7th fret D, and third string 9th fret is E, then 10th fret is F. Okay, so D, E, F. Third string D, E, F is coming, and in second string G and A. So G is 8th fret. So second string 8th fret is G, second string 10th fret is A, and the first string. So the next first string, this is C and this is D. So 8th fret is C, 10th fret is D. So this is the root of the song. C, D, E, F, G, A, C, D, high pitch D. So initially the starting part is like this. So Swaram is actually mentioned in the song itself. Pa pa ma, pa pa ma pa ni pa ma. So here pa is the western note A. Okay, so pa pa ma. So A G, pa pa ma, A G, pa pa ma, pa ni pa ma. So that is A G, A C, pa pa ma, pa ni pa ma. So that is A G, A C, A G. So that part is like this. Pa pa ma, pa ni pa ma, pa ni pa ma, ga ma pa. So that ga ma pa is F, G, A. So third string F. Here also you can play. This is also F. Pa pa ma, pa ni pa ma, pa ni pa ma, ga ma pa, F, G, A. So A G, A C, A G, A G, F, G, A. Ga ma pa. So that is F, G, A, and again high pitch. Sa ga. Notes is actually sung on the song itself. So this note is in Carnatic. Sa ga. So here it is D and F. So D and F. So D, F, D, C. And next part is, that is D, C, D, G. And last part is, here it is F, G, F, D. So this part, so the notes are D, F, D, C, A, C, A, G, and next is F, G, F, D, and last is F, G, A. So if you are playing all together, it will be like, so practice, you can also play like this. So completely it's swaras. I mentioned in verse 10 what actually the swaras corresponds to. So in the lyrics of the song it is mentioned pa pa ma pa ni pa ma ga ma pa sa ka sa ni pa ni pa ma ga ma ga sa ga ma pa. So the same I had told you in verse 10, and after that the note is starting from, and one more thing is there. So that part is only 4 notes are coming, that is A, G, F, C, A, G, F, C. Here 2 notes, that is A and F. Second string also you play, even all the notes you can play in second string itself, but it will be like, it will be very difficult to move your frets. So it's better you can play in the third string as well, that is, so here 2 notes are coming, which is A and F. So A in the second string, F in the third string, and next part is, so that is G and C. So it is actually A, F and G, C. And next pattern is, so that is C, C, F, F, G, G, A. That is G, F, C, G, F, C. And after that we are playing the song. So Kannada will be like this. So strike at this note, so which is A, and we are just plucking towards C, the note, okay, in the second string. So it's actually A, C, A, but we are not actually striking at note C. We remember that. If you are striking, it will be like, it's very it sound different, okay. So better you strike at this note which is A and pluck or move your fret towards the note C, okay. So only I am striking at note A, but meanwhile I am touching the note, this one, that is C. So that is actually Kannodu Kanvadilla. So again it goes top, that is after A, it is sorry C, this is D. Badalla. So note are A. So A just touching towards C and back at A. Kanbadalam is actually A, G, A. This is D. Kalaiva. Kalaiva. So this is F, E, A, G. Kalaiva. Kannodu Kanvadilla. Kalaiva. Kangalukku is actually this note which is F, G, A. Kangalukku. Kangalukku theriyavillai, that is Kangalukku. This is F, G, A, G. Kangalukku theriyavillai. Theriyavil is actually note is F, E, and this is F, E, D, C. Kangalukku theriyavillai. So this is striking from D and we are stopping at G. So it is actually D, G. Kangalukku theriyavillai. So 2 times you are playing that part. So be patient because notes are slightly everywhere in the string. So you need to apply the plucking style to get that perfect note. So thoroughly see this video, then only you will understand this is little difficult to play. So if you play again, it will be So this is the first part, and second part we will discuss in another video. So thank you.